Hello guys, welcome to house tour. So let's get started. Yay. So when you first walk in this, yes, I kind of stink right now, so I'm gonna take a shower. But when you first walk in, you see the store, and it leads you to the room that I have here. Yeah. And when you turn this door that leads you to the backyard, then you have your little kid's bedroom, teenage bedroom, which is really cute. Actually, next you go downstairs, and to my left, just because it's a tiny house. Yeah, and there's a master bathroom, which is small also. Yeah, come in a twins bedroom, and it's really cute. It's not that spacious, but it's fine. And they have their own bathroom. Just making it have to make them come into the master bedroom. They have 2 toilets and 2 showers. And this is the last part that I actually really love. It's not the last part because we still have to show the back. This is the last part for me to show. And see your garage. It's really cute, very tiny, big cars. I really love this Jeep, but the sad thing is I might delete it. So I might show you a video of me making a new house. I might be deleting a lot in the house, so don't call anything. But yeah, here's the back of the house. It's cute and simple. I actually really like it. So yeah, I'll show you the yeah. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Comment down below if you actually liked this house, and if I should show if I should show you me doing a tutorial for my house, and if I should show my house. Bye!